Yossi Sheffi, the director of the Center for Transportation Logistics. I'm a professor of engineering system and professor of civil engineering and environmental engineering at MIT. I've been director of CTL now for 20 years, over 20 years. During this time, the center has moved from focus on urban transportation to focus on freight transportation and logistics. And with this, it's expanded and enlarged a lot. The center basically has three different missions. The first one is education. The center runs a master's program and a PhD program in supply chain management. The second one is research, obviously. The center is one of the largest research centers at MIT, working with US governments, foreign governments, and dozens of industry representatives around the world. The third mission of the center is interaction with corporate sponsors. We have over 40 corporate partners with whom we do 7-8 times a year joint activities. They participate continuously throughout the year with our students. Our students do thesis project with them. We get data, we get research funding from them. So it's a very intensive interaction. The Center for Transportation and Logistics is, to my knowledge, the only center at MIT that has the three parts of research, education, and interaction with industry on this scale. One of the most unique things about the center, however, is that over a decade ago, we started an extensive international expansion. We have a center in Colombia, a center in Spain, and a center in Malaysia, cover each one of the large continents. Each one of these centers is an education and research center in the mold of MIT. They even do their own external interaction with industry. We run it as the so-called scale network, supply chain and logistics excellent global network. And we have continuous interaction with all the students at all these centers and the faculty at these centers with joint projects. There are many corporations that join our supply chain exchange because they want to operate with us over the entire globe, like BASF and Procter & Gamble and Intel, UPS, many large corporations that operate at the scale with us, at the same scale that we operate, at the same locations that we operate. Furthermore, once a year, during January, we bring all the students from all these centers to MIT. This year, there will be over 120 students, the master students, that will come to MIT for joint activities during 3 to 4 weeks of IFP. We also have continuous interaction between the students throughout the year, because logistics as a global subject requires that professionals will need to interact continuously with people whom they never met, who they never spoke to face, and they just meet each other online, and they have to learn to work together this way. That's another value that we bring to our students.